Throughout this course, I'll bring up a fun fact, which will aid in your training. The more you understand why you should be training in a certain way, the more effective your training will be, as you're going to be more conscious about how you should train rather than just go through the motions. So, your first fun fact for a chest workout is to do with retraction. In the case of a chest press, this is resisting the weight on the way back down onto the chest, which is 70% more effective than extension in hypertrophy or muscle growth. That's right, 70%. It's important you focus on controlling your weights in time. For example, the best count for extension all the way up is the count of 1, and then the retraction on the way down for the count of 3. So up, 1, down, 1, 2, 3. You should apply this to every resistance exercise you do on this course, whether it be a cable fly, bicep curl, or leg extension. So, for a leg extension, you extend up 1, then retract 1, 2, 3.